If you want to make the clock bigger on your iPhone and both the lock screen and the home screen, this video will show you exactly how to do it. If this helps, consider subscribing. Let's start with the lock screen. When you wake your iPhone, long press on the lock screen. This puts it into the edit mode. Tap customize at the top, then tap lock screen. Now tap directly on the clock at the top of the lock screen and drag it down and extend it to make it bigger. Once you're happy, tap done in the top right corner. That's the lock screen done. On the home screen, you can't resize the default clock, but you can add a large clock widget instead. Long press on an empty area of your home screen until the icons start to jiggle. Tap the plus button in the top left corner. In search bar, type clock. Tap on clock in the results, swipe through the widget sizes, small, medium or large. Pick the size you want, then tap add widget. Position it wherever you like on your home screen, then tap done in the top right. A couple of things to note: if you are adding a widget and the plus button isn't showing up, make sure your icons are actually jiggling first, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like the video as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this. This is Abdul signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.